we are looking at how to pronounce this very simple word, but it is said quite a variety of different ways in different regions, accents, countries in the world. This is of course the produce from cow farming, right? Most of the times it is said in English as milk, milk, but in many areas and regions it is pronounced as milk, milk, or right in between, milk. So you have milk, milk with a clear E sound, milk, but some pronounce it more with a schwa sound, as an a sound, as in milk, milk, or milk, or in between, milk, 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 milk. You can say it quite a variety of different ways. They're all correct, just different accents, I suppose. Milk or milk. And now you know. Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. Let us know how you like it to be pronounced, how you pronounce it as well. Like and subscribe if you like pronouncing things better, and I'll see you soon in the wonderful world of pronunciations. Thanks for watching.